Welcome to Ultimate Thunder. Let's see what Alexa can do. Amazon Alexa, also known simply as Alexa, is a virtual assistant AI technology developed by Amazon, first used in the Amazon Echo smart speakers developed by Amazon Lab 126. It is capable of voice interaction, music playback, making to-do lists, setting alarms, streaming podcasts, playing audiobooks, and providing weather, traffic, sports, and other real-time information, such as news. Alexa can also control several smart devices using itself as a home automation system. Users are able to extend the Alexa capabilities by installing skills, additional functionality developed by third-party vendors, in other settings more commonly called apps such as weather programs and audio features. Most devices with Alexa allow users to activate the device using a wake word, such as Alexa or Amazon. Other devices, such as the Amazon mobile app on iOS or Android and Amazon Dash Wand, require the user to push a button to activate Alexa's listening mode, although, some phones also allow a user to say a command, such as Alexa or Alexa Wake. Currently, interaction and communication with Alexa are available only in English, German, French, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, and Hindi. In Canada, Alexa is available in English and French, with the Quebec accent. As of November 2018, Amazon had more than 10,000 employees working on Alexa and related products. In January 2019, Amazon's devices team announced that they had sold over 100 million Alexa-enabled devices. In September 2019, Amazon launched many new devices, achieving many records while competing with the world's smart home industry. The new Echo Studio became the first smart speaker with 360 sound and Dolby sound. Other new devices included an Echo Dot with a clock behind the fabric, a new third-generation Amazon Echo, Echo Show 8, a plug-in Echo device, Echo Flex, Alexa built-in wireless earphones, Echo Buds, Alexa built-in spectacles, Echo Frames, an Alexa built-in ring, and Echo Loop.